Hello and welcome to another video. This time we're going to be looking at Agon Dev. So what is Agon Dev? Well, it's a new C programming language package for our Agon. It compiles to Easy80 binary. It has a library with most of the VDP commands built in. It's easy to make and upload your files. You can expand it with extra libraries, and it runs on Mac, Linux and Raspberry Pi. There's also loads of examples for you to try for yourself. You can download the latest release from the Agon platform GitHub site. Follow the instructions here for installing it on your machine. It's all pretty self-explanatory. When the project's on your own machine, you'll find there's a series of folders. I've added my own My Projects folder to this. It's important to keep this folder structure so that everything works smoothly. If you're running on a Mac, you'll find that some of the binaries which need to be run inside the bin directory have quarantine settings. Luckily, there's a neat little script you can run to remove those settings and everything will run smoothly. Launch Terminal and navigate to the AgonDev folder. Type sh followed by the macOS remove quarantine script and press enter. The script will run very quickly and remove all the quarantine attributes from those files, and you'll be ready to go. Each project that you make with Agon Dev needs a minimum structure of a makefile and a source folder with your main.c program. However, when you build your project, and as you progress to bigger projects, you'll see that other folders are there as well. The bin folder and object folder are automatically created when you make your project. To write your C code, you can use an IDE such as Visual Studio Code, or you can use an advanced text editor such as Sublime Text. If you only want to use a simple text editor like TextEdit, then you can do, or even VI or Nano if you prefer to use the command line. In our examples, we'll be using Visual Studio Code because it has a built-in terminal that we can use and is good for structuring our projects. Here we've opened up a simple project in VS Code. This time it's a Hello World application. In the makefile, the only important thing is the name, and this is the final binary that will be created. Although this is a straightforward Hello World application, we've also added some VDP commands to change the colour of the text. This is so you can see how additional commands can be called. Most of the extra Agon-specific calls are included within the vdp.h header file, and you'll probably include this in most of your projects. In order to build our project, we simply type make, and we can do that within the built-in terminal. We can see that adds the extra folders with the final binaries included. We can also type make upload, and if our Agon is connected to the USB port, it will automatically send the data to the Agon. You can then test your program. Here I've automatically copied it to the emulator as well, so I can try it on my computer. So we can see the Hello World program ran, and it used different colour for the text. If you're using VS Code, you can also create some keyboard shortcuts by defining some tasks. I created some shortcut tasks, one for make and upload, and also one to make and copy to my emulator folder. So why not grab Agon Dev for yourself and take a look through some of the other examples that we've provided.